Hey, I just got this Ambrane 1080 MagSafe Power Bank with stand. It's amazing.
Ambrane. Never heard of it. Isn't that brand too cheap? Why not go for something like Anchor or Belkin?
That's the thing. It's not cheap. It's affordable. And it works just as well as those big brands. Plus, it has MagSafe and a built-in stand.
MagSafe? Isn't that only for iPhones? What's the point if I have an Android phone?
Not true. If you have an Android phone, you can just use a MagSafe compatible case. Then it works perfectly with any phone.
Still not convinced. Why not just get a regular power bank? They're cheaper and work fine.
Sure, regular power banks are okay, but they don't have wireless charging or a stand. This one automatically attaches to your phone and charges it without cables. Super convenient.
Automatic attach. That sounds gimmicky. Does it even charge fast enough?
Absolutely. It supports up to 15W wireless charging and has 2 USB ports for wired charging too, so you can charge multiple devices at once.
Okay, but what's the big deal about the stand? Seems like an unnecessary feature.
It's actually super useful. At home, you can prop up your phone while it charges to watch videos or take video calls. At the office, it doubles as a desk stand for Zoom meetings.
I guess that could be handy, but isn't it bulky? I hate carrying heavy stuff around.
Nope, it's lightweight, only 250 gray. Fits easily into my bag. Plus, the 10,000 mAh capacity is perfect for a full charge on most phones with some juice left over.
Still, there are cheaper options out there, like Xiaomi or some no-name brands on Amazon.
True, but those cheaper ones often lack safety features. This one has overcharge protection, temperature control, and short-circuit prevention. You won't fry your phone.
All right, fair point. But how does it perform in real life? Any tips for using it?
Oh, tons. For example, when I'm working from home, I keep it on my desk with my phone propped up. Makes it easy to check notifications while staying charged.
What about travel? Is it good for that?
Definitely. On long trips, I use it to charge my phone overnight in the hotel. No need to hunt for outlets. And since it's compact, it doesn't take up much space.
Cool. But what if I forget to bring the cable? Won't I be stuck?
That's the beauty of MagSafe. It's wireless. Just attach your phone and it starts charging instantly. No cables needed.
Okay, but let's say I drop it. Will it break?
Good question. It's pretty sturdy with a matte finish, so it doesn't scratch easily. Also, the magnetic attachment keeps it secure on your phone.
All right, you've almost sold me. But one last thing, how do I know it'll work with my older Android phone?
Easy. Just grab a MagSafe compatible case for your phone and it'll snap right on. Works like magic. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you lived without it.
Fine, you win. Where can I buy it?
Amazon, Flipkart, or directly from Ambrane's website. Just search Ambrane 1000 mAh MagSafe Power Bank. You won't regret it.